guys, how's it going? So I am back today with a highly requested video. I am a little bit late with this video, but I hope you guys will still appreciate today's video and enjoy it. So today's video is my 1 year post-op smooth tuck and fat transfer to my hips. So it's been a full year and a few months since I've had my surgery, and I want to show you guys what I'm looking like now, scar, and talk about, you know, getting a tattoo and stuff like that, and just show you guys little tips and tricks. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And if you're interested in seeing what I have to offer in today's video, guys, I would like you to stay tuned and keep on watching. Hey guys, so I do want to start off by saying welcome to all the new subscribers. Thank you guys for joining in, and thank you guys for joining the family especially. So I want to say to everyone who's been watching or is watching my What I Eat in a Week series for keto, I hope you guys are enjoying it. I hope it brought you to this video, and then you can go ahead and click the cards and watch my whole entire journey. So for the ones that don't know, last year in April I got a smooth tuck surgery. It's a doctor's specialty called the smooth tuck, and I also got a fat transfer to my hips. Now I live in New York City. I live in Bushwick now. I was in Bed-Stuy last year, but I moved to Bushwick now. My doctor is actually located in the I think it's the Lower East Side or Upper East Side, Manhattan. His name is Dr. Matthew Shulman. Not sponsored, guys. I did my research for years before I even started losing the weight, and before I even like had money. Had the money to get and stuff like that. So I've been doing research for a long time, because I kind of figured that eventually when I started to jump into a healthier lifestyle, that my skin at that point was just not going to work out. So like I said, I want to keep going into those types of details. If you want to watch those videos, I do have a video, pre-op video, where I explain to you guys every single thing you need to know about this surgery. For this surgery, guys, it was a little bit on the pricier side. I did pay $16,500 for the smooth tuck and the fat transfer, which to me was an okay deal. Remember, I did get my surgery in Manhattan, so you got to think about the prices. But I think that my surgeon did a really, really good job, guys. He kind of knew the vision and did everything that I needed him to do, which is exactly why I'm so happy I went to him. It's not sponsored, guys. He didn't even know about me until after I posted the video on YouTube. And if you actually type it into the Google search engine for the smooth tuck, my videos actually come up, and I think that's how he realized. And also, people were inquiring about it. They kept like, there's like a huge like increase of emails about smooth tuck, and he was like, why is this coming up? So thanks to you guys who were really inquisitive, you guys actually found were like messaging it or googling it about like smooth tuck and asking him, emailing him and stuff like that. So he put two and two together and figured it was me, and I was like, okay, yeah. But it's not sponsored, guys. He's a really good doctor, very professional, kept it 100 with me and everything, and he did everything that I needed him to do. It was a smooth process, which I was happy about. Like, some people would say you could go somewhere else and get it cheaper, which is true, but you gotta think about like traveling costs. I could have went to Miami, I could have did that kind of thing, but for me, I wanted to be closer to home just in case something happened. It was the first time I was getting something major done. I've had my breast done like 3 times before, so that is nothing new to me. So, but this was major for me because I was getting the cut, you know, and all that kind of stuff. So with the smooth tuck, guys, the smooth tuck is just the removal of the skin below the belly button. I had a lot of saggy skin from weight loss from years and years and years. I'm somebody that's a fluctuator, so I'll like, you know, lose a lot of weight and then gain weight back within a year. Luckily, since I've started the keto diet has been so good to me, or maybe I've been good to it, but I have, for the last 2 years, I've been the same weight. I kind of gained like a 5 pound or 10 pound or something like that, like during the stress times, especially during COVID-19. But obviously you guys see my What I Eat week series happening now, so I'm able to just snap back. It's always like a reboost for me. If I feel like I'm falling off, I just do the diet for like a month and I'm back to normal. So I'm kind of at a stable weight since I've started keto, so it'll really change my life. So right now I kind of feel like I'm not fluctuating back to where I gained like the 50 pounds back. So that's one good thing. So this diet definitely helps me sustain like my weight. So with the weight loss this time, since I lost the 50 pounds, my skin at that point was really saggy, guys. I don't have children or anything. I've just been going through years of just weight loss, bouncing back and forth different weights, so that's why I had a lot of loose skin. So I decided, did my research. I didn't want to get a full tummy tuck, because full tummy tuck, they do the repair of the muscles. I wasn't going for that. I didn't want the repair of the muscles, so I just wanted just a skin removed. So this doctor offered something called smooth tuck. I researched it for years, guys, prior to even having the money for it, prior to even knowing when, or like I've been researching it for years before, so I already knew it was gonna happen. So with this one, guys, And like I said, it was a little bit on the pricey side, which some people complain about it being pricey. But all in all, for the whole entire experience, I think it came out good. The fat transfer to my hips was perfect as well, too. I think he did a good job. I'm actually going to show you guys in the next clip of me actually showing you guys full body what I'm looking like now. So stay tuned. But all in all, the experience is good. One thing that I want to point out to you guys is the scarring. For me, the scarring is like I've had surgery before. I've had breast implants 3 times. So I have a scar underneath my boob, so I already knew going into the surgery that I was gonna still have a scar. Like, I just scar. I did use silicone gels, I used a Mederma, I used everything. It kind of faded a little bit, but it didn't go all the way away. But I didn't have that high expectation going into this. I never have high expectations going into anything, to be honest with you guys, because you never get your hopes up, you know what I mean? So when I went into this surgery, I knew that, okay, it's a possibility I'm gonna have like a light scar, or I'm gonna just scar up, which I did scar up. So I kind of knew that. So the option for me was to either get tattoo, or was just to kind of cover it up myself. So recently I decided to try makeup, and you'll see in the picture I'll upload here, obviously the thumbnail picture you guys have seen, I covered up with makeup just to kind of make it look a little bit more realistic that way. And you know, it works, but I need something more waterproof. So if you guys know anything waterproof, let your girl know. I also was going to get a tattoo because I do have a back tattoo that I need to kind of get covered up or do something different with it. And if I could kind of try to get a tattoo going towards the front way, that would be cute. But I didn't want to have that whole theme of like you getting a whole body tattoo type of feel. Come on, sis, I'm about to be 30 years old, like, come on now. But not that it matters, no shade, but I just wanted to get something that I would like. But in my head, I'm like, I honestly, if I find something waterproof, I'm just gonna cover it up with makeup or whatever and keep it pushing. Like, taking pictures, you can do that, no biggie. If you're going to the beach, you're not really gonna be soaking in the water, you can go ahead and cover up and wear a cute bathing suit. So there's options. So before you rush and get the tattoo, like I was gonna do, not saying that I'm not gonna get the tattoo, I'm not sure yet. I'm kind of like 75% no and 25% yes. That's the point I'm at right now. So let me know what you guys think. But all in all, I think covering it up, and I'll show you guys in the next clip how I do all that kind of stuff and talk about it. Before I even run, I use Fenty Beauty to cover up, just regular foundation, guys, nothing special. But we're going to jump to the next clip, guys, but I hope you guys enjoy this video so far. Alrighty, guys, so this is what I'm looking like right now. So I did do like a little bit of an experiment today to kind of show you guys. So I did tell you guys that I might get like a cover-up tattoo, but I decided that I might not do it, but don't hold me to that. So with this today, what I showed you guys was I actually covered this side up with some makeup. I just used my foundation to cover this side up. Someone did recommend some type of camouflage cover up or whatever, so I decided that if it's easier for me just to cover it up if I'm going to the beach with some waterproof foundation, or if I'm taking pictures and I need to cover it up, I can do it that way. So this side looks really good, guys, and obviously you can see this side right here is still dark, and I actually knew that as far as the scarring came, that I was going to have like a little bit of scarring issue, and that's because I've had my boobs done before, so I have a scar underneath here, and I knew that if I was going to scar down here, that I definitely was going to have a scar here. But I already knew that jumping into the situation, so I wasn't really like afraid of it. So I was like, you know what, there's going to be other ways to go about covering it up. Like I said, you could get a tattoo, or you can just go ahead and cover it up with makeup. So like I said, someone did say something about like camouflage something or whatever, but whatever waterproof items that you guys know of, please let your girl know down below. But I think I am going to get a tattoo anyways, but it's not going to be anything like crazy floral, something that's going to be obvious. So I'm probably just going to get something really simple, guys, and hopefully that works out. But let me show you guys. He did a really good job, guys. My belly button looks really good. I'll do like an extra close-up on the belly button. I do wear my J-Scope belt. Yes, I do. Sometimes if I'm coming on my monthly, which I am now, I'll even put the board on just to smash me down a little bit, just to keep me flat. When I am dieting, I go crazy heavy hard on waist training and all that stuff. So I do that stuff. So that's probably why you see me a little bit marked up right now, because I had a whole trainer on and everything. Like, I am OD with it when it comes to dieting and stuff like that. So that's what I look like now, guys. Hopefully you guys like this. So let me know what you guys think. Alrighty, guys, so that basically wraps up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like I said, if you're new to my channel and you want to kind of backtrack to when I started in 2018, make sure you go up here and click the cards and watch all the videos and show me some love. But that ends the video today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people. I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.